Welcome back to Let's Treasure That. I'm Gilles. Today we're going to tackle something that nobody talks about, and that's centering some tools with the quick change tool post, which just can't level and get centered on the lathe. Let's have a look at it. Okay, so here's what we got. Say for example, you're going to use, in this case, a knurling tool. All right, as you can tell, it's not centering unless I put it up myself. All right, now check this out. On the quick change tool post, we have no room to adjust this lower because it's reached its bottom. All right, okay, so let's look at another type. Now this time what we got is a boring bar, and you can tell the tip of the tool is quite a ways below the center of the part. So that's not working. And again, we can't raise it any further unless, I'll do it by hand, you'll see. Loosen that up first. And again, the heck. There we go, right? So that's quite a bit. We're talking almost 1/8 of an inch here. So we need to find a fix for that. So let's make something. Okay, so I'm at the bench and we're gonna have a quick look here at these quick change holders. And as you can see here, this particular tool is being held in there, and there's really no room to shim it upwards, for example. Now in this case, we could shim it up, and yeah, it would work, but then that wouldn't solve this one. And so if I'm gonna make something, I might as well adapt it so I can fit both of these tool holders, and then that'll fix my issue completely. All right, well, here's the final result. Just a little L-shaped thing that's gonna go like this. And it provides additional ability to go upwards. So check this out, okay? So all of a sudden, my tool holder can go up, of course, by the amount of clearance that's available here. And so now it's just a matter of trying it out on the lathe. We're at the lathe, and I've got the tool on there, so you can see now how low it was before. So just by tightening my little gizmo, now we're there. So let's have a look at how it worked out. So there you see, it provided additional lift. And so now all I need to do is tighten this part up like usual, and I'm ready to work. So now that can stay on here because my tool holders are dedicated to certain tools, and that's it for that. I just thought you might be interested in seeing that there's a solution out there to this kind of problem. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And take care. Bye-bye.